Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to change Calendly availabilities. So this is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Maybe you've started another job, or maybe you want to be only available on certain days and times. How do you actually go ahead and set that up on your Calendly account? Now the way to do that is we're going to hop onto our Calendly account, and then on the left hand side, you want to click on availability. Next, you want to scroll down to where it says weekly hours. So if you want to stop being available on Mondays, you can untoggle that. If you want to change that on Wednesdays, you're only available in the afternoons, you can set that as well. You could also remove days entirely, and you could also toggle on and off. You could also have it so that, let's say I want to copy this and copy these times onto my Sunday, and then click on apply. You'll now see that this time frame has been set to Sunday's time frame as well. You could also do date specific hours, which means that it's going to override your availability for specific dates when your hours differ from regularly working hours. Now keep in mind that once you set these hours, it is going to affect the events in which your schedule is active on. So you can see that right now my working hours are active on these two events. So just keep that in mind. But that is how to actually go ahead and change your availability on Calendly. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. But thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.